Hello everyone and welcome to Infinity and Beyond, and in this video we will learn how to label our images using a tool named as Label IMG to train our deep learning model. So what you have to do is to search on any search bar for Label IMG. The project is uploaded on GitHub, so what you have to do is download that zip file or whatever you do, git clone that repository to your computer, and then you have to download all the files that you want to label. For instance, if you want to make your model to detect pigs, the types of pigs, then you will have to download images of pigs. But for this instance I am going to label, so I had to make a weapon detection project. So for that I had to download lots and lots of weapon images, that is images of guns. We were focusing on detecting guns present in an image. So here I download all the images that I wanted to. What is the collection of this image is of Derringer. Derringer is a kind of gun. So this folder contains all the images of Derringer. And what we had done, it was a group project, so someone had downloaded the image of Derringer and I was supposed to label it. So what I did, I downloaded all the images using Google Drive, and now this is the label IMG. You had to extract the label IMG and go inside the directory, and you have to run that Python file, the Python script. So what you have to do for that case, Python label img is the name of Python script. So Python, open the command prompt, type Python label img, that is label.img.py, and then you have to give the path for images, the path of the folder where images are present. So what is the case, label img is the name of folder, inside that is the Python file is present inside that folder. So we have to come one step up, that is why there are two dots present, and inside Derringer we had to name all those things. And now we will replace the classes.txt with the name that we want to give those images, that we want to label images as. We want to do with Derringer, the label should be Derringer. So then class.txt, as soon as I hit enter, what should have been done is that a GUI based tool will open up that will allow you to label your images as per your wish. So you will have to basically draw a rectangle around the part of gun that you want to take. If say for instance this gun has loaded, as soon as I press enter, it might take some time, and change that Pascal to YOLO and select click a rect box. So it will create a rectangle, drag and drop to choose the coordinates. So the top and the left one is x min, y min, and the last one here, that is bottom right, will be x max and y max. So these coordinates would be set up into file. Click on save. This would save the label to the same path as the image is saved. So what I have done is fast forwarded all these things, so because it took a lot of time, so the process has to be repeated. For instance, if there are two images, then first you will have to make the box around one image. So what I meant to say, if there are two weapons present in an image, what you have to do is first create a rect box on one weapon and then create a rect box on the other weapon, and then you have to decide whatever you want to do. Do not forget to save. Click on save. If you will not save the label, it will first give you a warning that you are about to overwrite something like that. But so what you have to do is save that, and the labels would be saved in the form of a txt file just next to an image. For example, if your image is named pigs.jpg, so I had, in my case I had 1.jpg, 2.jpg, so the labels for image 1 are saved next to it, that is 1.txt. So I had 69 images in total, and there are 69 labels formed, and that classes contains the classes file that is present on last contains the label for this image, that is all these images would be labeled as Derringer. So that is what you have to do, and that's all how we have to do labeling part, and you can do to any of your choice. So that's it.